Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chlorophyll drops. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh, dark leafy greens like spinach or kale. Make sure they are organic if possible. You'll also need 1 cup of distilled water, a high-speed blender, a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth, and a clean glass jar for storing your finished product. This process is quite simple and yields a potent green extract. Now, let's prepare the greens for blending. Wash your leafy greens very well to remove any dirt or debris. Then, roughly chop them into smaller pieces to help with blending. Place the chopped greens into your blender, adding 1 cup of distilled water. Blend on high speed for about 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture is a smooth, vibrant green liquid. This ensures maximum chlorophyll extraction. Next, we need to separate the liquid from the pulp. Place your fine mesh strainer or several layers of cheesecloth over a clean bowl. Carefully pour the blended green mixture into the strainer. Use a spoon or spatula to press down firmly on the pulp, ensuring you extract as much green liquid as possible. This liquid contains the dissolved chlorophyll. Discard the fibrous pulp once all liquid is extracted. Finally, it's time to collect your chlorophyll drops. Allow the strained green liquid to sit undisturbed for at least 3 to 4 hours, or even overnight. You will notice the concentrated chlorophyll settling at the bottom, with a clearer liquid on top. Carefully pour off and discard the clear liquid. Transfer your potent chlorophyll drops into a clean, airtight glass jar and store them in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Enjoy your homemade drops.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.